What do you have? Do you have a cookie? Do you have a cookie, Mika? Is that cookie delicious?
Oh.
Oh, is that good? Is that yummy? What do you have? Can you say cookie? Oh, your hand is so messy. Your hand is so messy.
Hey, Mommy, that's the opposite.
What's an opposite?
Let's go to bed.
That's right. That is an opposite. What's wrong, Mika?
Hey, Mommy, does mean bad?
Generally, yeah. What, do I have a cookie?
Hey, Mama. Yeah, send it.